There's a certain kind of silence that hurts more than shouting. It's when you say something, and she doesn't even flinch. It's when your voice doesn't shake her anymore. It's when she looks at you, but doesn't see you. That's not distance. That's the early death of respect. And brother, let me tell you something real. Love can survive a lot. Arguments, struggle, even pain. But love can't survive where respect is already dead. Number 1. Say no without guilt or explanation. Most men lose respect not because they're weak, but because they think being agreeable means being loved. They say yes to everything. Yes to her moods. Yes to her shifting rules. Yes to the disrespect, just to avoid conflict. But here's the truth. A man who can't say no isn't kind. He's invisible. Women test boundaries not to break them, but to feel safe. If she pushes and you always bend, she'll never believe your strength. So say, no, that doesn't work for me. No emotion, no defense, just self-respect. Because if you can't protect your peace, don't expect her to protect it for you. Number 2, build a life bigger than her. You know what kills attraction? Not age, not looks, lack of direction. A woman can love your vibe, your face, your charm, but if you're waking up every day with no purpose, she senses it. She won't say it, but she'll feel it. And slowly, she'll start leading. She'll start dominating, not because she wants to, but because the vacuum needs to be filled. Masculine energy doesn't mean domination, it means direction. So build something, not to impress her, but to protect your identity. Because when your mission becomes your magnet, she can't play games with your time. It's too valuable. Number 3, set boundaries and stick to them with action, not talk. It's not enough to say, don't disrespect me. You have to show what happens when she does. Disrespect tolerated becomes a standard accepted. She mocks you once and you laugh it off. She embarrasses you once in public and you let it slide. She questions your worth and you explain. No, brother, that's not strength. That's slow erosion. So the next time she crosses the line, don't yell, don't argue, distance, detach. Let your absence teach the lesson your words can't. Because real boundaries don't need reminders. They create reactions. Number 4, recognize when you're trying to fix someone who's not broken, just not for you. Some women don't respect you not because you're lacking, but because their heart's already elsewhere. You think you're in a rough patch. You think she's just stressed. But deep down, you feel it. She doesn't admire you anymore. She corrects everything you say. She downplays your efforts. She treats you like an inconvenience instead of a choice. And here's where most men suffer. They stay. They keep proving, chasing, explaining. But the truth is, she's not confused. She's just comfortable. And the longer you stay in that comfort, the more she resents you for letting her get away with it. Number 5, stop responding to chaos. She yells. She slams doors. She storms out. And what do? You follow. You explain. You beg. But here's what you didn't realize. She's not reacting. She's controlling. Every time you chase after the drama, you teach her that chaos gets your attention. So next time, you go still. You don't punish. You don't engage. You just stay calm. Because silence in the face of noise isn't weakness. It's dominance. The moment she sees that her outbursts no longer shift your mood, the game changes. She either rises to your level or exposes her true one. Number 6, master your emotions like your life depends on it. Because it does. The man who gets triggered every time she tests him is easy to manipulate. And women, even subconsciously, Test to feel security. If she can break your mood with a look, a word, a tone, you're not leading, you're reacting. But when she sees that no matter what she throws your way, you stay centered, that's when respect returns. That's when admiration grows. Because power isn't in loudness, it's in stillness. She may not say it out loud, but trust me, she craves a man who is unshakable, not cold, not numb, just composed. Number 7, choose peace over access. If she disrespects you once, it's a red flag. Twice, it's a pattern. 3 times, it's a decision. Yours. You don't have to announce your standards. Just enforce them. You don't need revenge. You need distance. Because nothing resets a woman's view of you like your absence. It's not about playing games. It's about protecting your worth. You're not punishing her. You're preserving you. And here's the truth most men learn too late. Respect isn't asked for. It's felt. It's earned. And once it's lost, love can't survive. So if you're watching this and you feel like you've been disrespected one too many times, if you're tired of repeating yourself, if you're done explaining what should already be obvious, then hear me. You don't fix this with flowers. You fix it with standard, with distance, with presence so strong she either grows to match it or fades away from it. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to rebuild your identity from the inside out. So no matter who stays or leaves, you never lose yourself again. Click that next one. This time, we're not saving the relationship. We're saving you.